So this is what I got for the reframing here. I added support beams. I used what wood I could that was still there to give me some better attachments because I've done a lot of good stuff to attach it to. And then strengthened up this wall. Screwed these in from the back side. I will probably add a few more supports, actually one going across there to make it a little more sturdy. You can see the difference in the color of the new wood. Added like a piece right here. So had to add pieces there at the bottom too. I think I'm going to add another one actually above this one and try and get it to screw into the old screws that they had coming from the exterior for just a little more, and then I can add another support going up there, maybe another one in the corner. But hey, hopefully I can get this wall up here. It's got like that curved wall at the top, so hopefully next video I will have that wall in.